Hello, my name is Cesar Augusto Cortes Ramirez. Spell is CESAR AUGUSTO RANIREC. Welcome, this is my house. We start. Here is the windows. This is the front door. There is the living room. There is the dining room. There are the pictures. There are 4 chairs in the dining room. There is the kitchen. There is the patio. There is the stairs. There are the 2 rooms. There is the TV. There are the 2 windows. There is the bed. There is the bathroom. Thanks for you turning my house. Bye bye.